it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and I'm here with Baby Yoda, or as y'all call him, Reggie. Today we're going to take a look at the Armadillo Tek Vanguard Series military grade case for the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. Carl over at Armadillo Tek was nice enough to send me these two cases. Very, well, as girly as he can get. A pink and a purple. Y'all know I'm more of a clear girl kind of case. Clear, glitter, blingy. Been trying to work on Carl for this, for years, but maybe he'll get there one day. But he finally had a case that would fit a device that I owned. So we're going to try this out. I'm going to give you the warning that I have tempered glass on my phone. So I can't tell you whether that's going to, keep me from using this case or not. If I don't use it, it's going to be for personal reasons because I don't like thick cases. But for those of you who might work in fields that you need something a little thicker, this might work out better. So keep in mind, if you got women in construction, they do have these in very male color form. So it's not just these two colors. These are Build Tough, so if you work in a rough environment, these might be for you. So let's hop into this. I'm gonna, of course, take this case off first. I think, because I don't read directions, I think it goes in here first. Let's see if we got that part right. I have not peeled anything off yet, because I don't know if I'm doing this right. And then I think it goes into here. Look at me winging this. Wing it! Weird. And it's in there, and that's with screen protector, tempered glass still installed. You would need to pull off all the plastic stuff, but this was more or less to get a feel for the fit. And yes, it's very much brick like. Like, pull these edges up so it looks like I'm gonna use it like now. This would be a case I would use at the beach or something, But, yeah, it fits even with the tempered glass. Good to go. So, yeah. Nice tight edges, like super tight. This is everything installed. Flap for your charging. Speakers, speaker holes, cameras fully exposed. There's no headphone jack to worry about. On and off flip switch, volume up and down, power button. And you got all your holes, so you got exposure to, oh, look at there. Screen is kind of working too well. And that's with 3 layers. Tempered glass, screen, and then I didn't pull the plastic off, and then the actual protection that they have over it. So I'm still able to use my device. That's pretty neat. How can I forget the kickstand? I'm sorry, y'all. Kickstand, adjustable. Hey. Let's see how hard it is to take this bad boy out. So I'm sure this part comes out first. I've already broken enough nails, as you can see, lately. So I probably don't want to break any more. Oh, it's not too bad coming out. I'm starting from the bottom. Again, I've watched no videos on this. So I believe you could buy this case and pretty much wing it. Although the box does have where you go watch the instructional videos and you do it like you're supposed to do, not like I'm doing it. So that worked out pretty good, even because I wasn't taking my tempered glass off. Look, I don't take tempered glass out until I break them or the edges start coming up. These are identical cases, so the same process would go for this. Snap it on. Again, the screen's working just fine. All you want to make sure you do is you cover up this outside edge when you're putting everything on. I'm just doing all kinds of stuff. Kickstand is out. Hey, we're in business. Armadillo Tek. Made by Harmless Carl. Kimmy Quickie, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I hope to catch you on the next video. Holla!